Good morning, students. So far we have studied about linear inequation in one variable. I hope you have completed your copy up to linear inequation. Some doubts were sent in the WhatsApp group and I have sent the solution to. Still, if you have any doubts, you may send your doubts in the WhatsApp group. Today we shall start the next chapter, that is quadratic equation. Already we have studied about the linear equation ax plus b equal to 0 is standard linear equation in one variable. So why it is called linear? Because it represents a straight line, and if you see powers on the variable, here it is 1. Similarly, if the powers on the variable, the highest power on the variable is 2, then it is called quadratic equation. If the highest power on the variable is 3, like ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, then it is called cubical equation. Similarly, if the highest power is 4, it is called biquadratic equation. The general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and this is important condition here, a must not be 0. What is the a here? Coefficient of x square. This coefficient should not be 0, because as soon as a becomes 0, this changes to linear equation. Then what is the solution of the equation? Solution of quadratic equation. This is also called zeros of quadratic equation. This is also called zeros of quadratic equation, or it is also called root of the equation. Two words we use for the solution. So you can say it is the solution of quadratic equation. You may say it is the zeros of the quadratic equation, or you may say it is the root of quadratic equation. So suppose if I write here x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. So this x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0, and if I want to check whether x equal to 3 is the solution of this equation or not. So if you want to check any value, whether it is a solution of the given quadratic equation or not a solution, then just put this value in the LHS. Put x equal to minus 3. You will get minus 3 whole square plus 7 into minus 3 plus 12. If you solve here, it will get 9 minus 21 plus 12. This value is 0. It means LHS is coming equal to right hand side for x equal to minus 3. So x equal to minus 3 is the solution of this equation. But if you put x equal to 3 instead of minus 3, if you take x equal to plus 3, this value will not become 0, and this won't be the solution of the quadratic equation. In the same way, for any particular number, we can verify whether the given number is solution of the quadratic equation or not. Then the another important concept comes, how to find the zeros, or how to find the root of the quadratic equation, or how will you solve it. So there are two methods to solve the quadratic equation. One is factorization method and other one is using formula. So we shall study both the methods. There are two methods. Method to solve quadratic equation. First method we have to study is factorization method, and second method we have to study is using Sridharacharya formula. Sridharacharya formula. One by one we shall discuss both the methods. So before starting the factorization method, we must know the zero product rule. Zero product rule. The zero product rule is, if there are two numbers a and b, if they are multiplied together and result is 0, so this implies either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0 are A and B both 0. Three cases can be there. If A is 0, then also their product is 0. If B is 0, then also product will be 0. And if A and B both are 0, then also product will be 0. So this concept will be used to find the solution using factorization method. So let's see how to solve it. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is there. So this c and a will be multiplied together. We shall multiply and we shall find two factors of AC whose sum is equal to b if there is plus sign before c, and if there is minus sign before c, then we shall find two such factors whose difference is equal to b. And then by grouping together we can factorize it, and then we can apply the zero product rule. For example, if I take x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. What is a here? Here a is 1, b is 7 and c is 12. So a into c, that is 1 into 12. We get 12. Now we have to get two factors of 12 such that its sum is equal to 7. So that will be 3 and 4. So in place of 7x, we can write 3x plus 4x. So now this equation will take the form x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. If I take here x common, x plus 3, and if here I take 4 common, again x plus 3 equal to 0. We can make the group of 2. Here x plus 3 is common. Keep in mind, in both the brackets, same expression should come. If same expression is not coming, it means something wrong we have done. Then now x plus 3 equal to into x plus 4 equal to 0. Now you can apply the zero product rule. Either this factor will be 0 or this factor will be 0. So if x plus 3 equal to 0, this implies x equal to minus 3. You can write it in rectangle. And if x plus 4 equal to 0, this implies x equal to minus 4. So what are the solutions? Minus 3 and minus 4. These two are the solutions of the quadratic equations. So in this way, we can solve the quadratic equation by factorization. Then there is second method using Sridharacharya formula. So to solve the given equation by Sridharacharya formula, we need the formula first. So let us see the formula. What is the formula? Sridharacharya formula is x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2b. Where what is a? Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x is b and constant term is c. So simply by equating we can get these values, and we shall put these values in this equation. For example, if we solve the same equation using the formula, just see what is a equal to 1, b equal to 7 and c equal to 12.